Hi guys, today I have some goodies which I want to show you, and I got them from Noble Hair. Thank you very much. I won the competition. I was on the second place, so I can't wait to show you what I've got. The first thing first are lashes, and it came in this kind of box, and they look like that. Next thing is kind of like hair accessories. I don't know if it's called, it's not bobby pin, it's like hairpins, something like that. Let's say it's hair accessories. So Rebecca Youth. Okay, next thing, when I saw this, I'm like, wow, this is so nicely packed. I'm gonna definitely leave this box for myself because it's absolutely gorgeous. So it looks like that. It's very like heavy duty, I would say. So inside we have, I didn't open it yet, I saved this for this moment. So inside we have, I think so it's a scarf, so let's see how it looks like. Okay, so the scarf looks like, like that. Gorgeous colors, very vibrant, very nice. Let's move to wigs. I'm gonna try them on as well in a moment. First wig is kind of like a white wig, I would say. And let's see how it looks like. I didn't open it yesterday. I got this yesterday in the evening time, but I didn't have time to actually play with this or open and check properly. So here we have, okay, so this is lace front wig. Oh, and it's braided already. So nice. I always wanted to have kind of like wig which is already like braided or something. So this is the lace, and inside it looks like that. We have here combs and from the sides, as you can see, and that one is on the back. So it looks like that, and let me try it. That's just a quick try on, so I didn't cut the lace off and I didn't put my wig cap because I can't find. So you can clearly see my dark hair. And I need to try to braid on that side, so I think so it will look really nice. I like it, I really like it, and it's comfortable. Okay, next wig is called Queen. I don't know if I told you guys, the previous one is called Myra. So this one looks more natural, as you can see. And inside I found a bag, and in this bag is, okay, it's a wig cap. That's great because I can't find one. I can't find mine one. And we have some amazing, oh my goodie, I absolutely love this color. So this is, I'm not sure, I wanted to say it's a headband, but actually, or maybe this is actually headband, with this thing, I don't know how it's called. Gorgeous color. Okay, so this wig looks like that. It's not curly, it's straight. And I can see it's lace front as well. Whoop. Okay, so this wig is lace front as well. And inside it looks like that. On the top, I think so that's or very dark brown or black. On the screen it looks like black, but I think so in real life it's really like dark brown. The hair are really soft, very soft. Okay, another quick try on, so don't mind the lace, which is darker obviously than my skin. And I need to tell you guys, that hair is so soft, amazingly soft, and it looks super natural, so I'm instantly in love. That's super pretty.